Welcome back, it's Mr. John, and today we're going to be looking at transformations. Can you spot the transformation that would have occurred or undergo between P and Q? It's helpful to start looking at it as quadrant, right? So from this point to here could be considered to be a quadrant. Same thing right here. Okay, so each one of these boxes, I'm just zooming in, represents 1 centimeter, right? So naturally, from the bottom left corner highlighted in purple, and the top right corner, naturally that is also 1 centimeter. So if we have 2 of those, then how many centimeters that is? That would have been, yes, that is 2 centimeters. Well done. Now, using that logic in mind, I want you to pay attention. So let's move this out of the way. From here to here, as you can see, highlighting onto the box, I'm zooming, that is 1 centimeter. So in this image B or figure B, from the point located to the left to the point located to the top is 1 centimeter. Now looking over here, that same point has how many centimeters? Well, let's see. So that will be 1, 2, 3. So 3 centimeters. So we just went from 1 to 3 centimeters. That's the increase in this triangle. The following diagram shows 3 quadrilateral PQ and R on a square grid, where Q and R are the images of P. After it underwent 2 different transformation. So P is original, right? And Q is what it then transformed into after something would have happened to it. And it went from 1 centimeter to 3 centimeters. So as you can see, it started off this small P and now turned into this kind of big Q from 1 to 3. That's a drastic increase. So since as that is an increase, we call that a enlargement. When we speak about enlargement, we need to speak of, okay, it was enlarged, but by how much? And we do so by saying, okay, it was enlarged by a scale factor of so on and so forth. So it was enlarged by a scale factor of blank. I'm just going to give a little formula. So you're going to take the new dimension, and then you're going to divide by the old dimension. Which would have been the dimension you started with. So therefore, this would be the new was 3 and the old was 1. 3. So therefore, this is saying that this enlargement have a scale factor of ding 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 3. Another thing when we're looking at enlargement is what is the point of origin. This will be covered in another video. In summary, when there were transformations, it can be enlargements, rotation, reflection, translations. So we need to tell them well, what type of relation is shown here. So in this case, it's going to be enlargement, and then you need to tell them, but enlarged by a scale factor of what? You need to give them a figure. Then the third thing that needs to be mentioned is what is the point of origin.